Factoring, practical problems, appointing an agent for collecting accounts receivable. Factoring means appointing a factor or agent for collecting money from the customers to whom we have given the credit sales. A trucking company wants to finance a 1,000 invoice. Invoice is from the pre-approved shipper or a freight broker who has a good credit and often pays within 45 days. The freight factoring company has given the following terms to the tracking carrier. Advance 95%, fees 5% for 65 days, flat fee. The fees do not increase as the time goes. So even if he's giving in 65 days or within 45 days, the fee will remain same, 5% on the invoice amount. Always calculate the fees on the invoice amount 1,000. Whatever invoice value is given, on that fees will be calculated. So fees of 5% on invoice value of 1,000. The fee will not increase as the time goes. Show how simple transaction works. The trucking company submits rupees 1,000 freight bill and delivery paperwork to the factor. He is the agent, he will collect the money. The factor company gives an advance of 95%, advance of rupees 950, 1,000 into 95%. And deposits the money to the client's bank account. Third, the remaining 50 rupees that is commission of the factor, 1,000 invoice value into 5% commission, fees of the factor that is agent, 50 rupees is the fees. The factor realize the fees once the customer pays the invoice in full. So 50 rupees he will receive when he will realize the fees in 45 days. Within 45 days he will receive this 1,000 amount from the customer, and already he had paid 950 to the company, and he will receive 50 rupees also along with 950 plus 50, that is 1,000. He will receive invoice in full. He will keep this 50 rupees with him because this is the commission of a factor. All of you note down, this is the solution A, B, and C. This is a single transaction. How it works? How single transaction works? Factor will receive this bill. This is a paper document invoice. After receiving this document, advance of 950, that is 95% of invoice value, will be given to the client and will be deposited to the client's bank account. And after receiving this invoice from the customer within 45 days or up to 65 days, This is the flat fee of 1000 into 5%, that is 50. 50 is the fees. He will realize the fees once the customer pays the invoice in full.